Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. But if you're new to my channel, I am so glad to have you here. So in today's video, I would be showing you all how I took out my twist. Yes, the twist that you all loved. I carried it for 5 weeks and I feel it's high time I let it go. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'll be starting with water. You get your water in a spray bottle, then get your leave-in conditioner. I'm using Thank You leave-in conditioner. And the next thing is to pour the leave-in conditioner into the water. The water is just normal water. It's not warm. It's just at room temperature and it's tap water. So you just pour the leave-in conditioner till you're satisfied. And the next thing is to shake the bottle vigorously. Shake and shake and shake till it mixes properly. And I shake once more. Shake, shake. And yeah, it's properly mixed. And the next thing is to get the section that I'm going to be starting with. And so my spray bottle was starting to misbehave, so I had to get it working. Okay, so I sprayed the mixture onto the roots of my hair in order to, ease off the tangle, start from the roots, and then I spray the body of the twist. I spray every part of the twist and I then squeeze it so that the mixture can really get into it. And then I start from the ends of my hair. I start from the ends. So this mixture actually made taking out the twist really, really easy. Like the sleep was good. And so it was easy for me. On my Instagram story, I complained that my hair was really tangled and stuff. But this mixture really helped me. It really helped. So it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. As you can see, I'm not really struggling to take it out. And now, focusing at the roots. If you watched the video on how I twisted my hair, you would know that I first of all I start plaiting, and when I've plaited a little, then I start twisting. So right now I'm trying to take out the plait because the plait is tangled, but I try my best to go easy with it so I don't cut my hair, I don't break my hair in the process of trying to take it out. And yeah, I'm getting it, and as you can see, it's out. So the next thing is to use my fingers. I run my fingers through the section in order to take out the tangles, the knots, and the shed hairs. And right now I'm taking out tangles, taking out shed hairs too. I'm basically detangling. I'm finger detangling. That's what I'm doing. And this is the total amount of shed hairs from that section. Yeah, this is the total amount from that section. And I decided to do a little length check for you all. Shrinkage. And now I proceed on to the next twist. And as usual, start spraying the mixture from the roots of my hair. And then I spray to the body of the twist. Spray and then squeeze it in. And then I start from the ends of my hair and I start working my way upwards, and I keep going. You guys, the mixture really made taking out my twist easy, to be honest. The leave-in conditioner has a good sleep. It's a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner, so it helped. And now this is the total amount of shed hairs from this section. and I just use my fingers to detangle, and I'm done. So I'll be doing the other twists, the remaining twists. I would be doing them off camera right about now. And I am done. I was so happy to be done with this twist. I was so hyped about it. And now I'm just making sure my edges were still intact, and as you can see, they are still intact. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please like this video and leave a comment for me. I really enjoy reading and replying your comments. Please comment below and share this video with a sister. This is the total amount of shed hairs I got. I'd see you in my next video.